Back in the burn. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick video on just blocking and buffing the Porsche here before it gets ready to head on the trailer and head back to its home, and here finish reassembling it. But he only lives not too far from me, so I'll get the video of when it's all together and stuff. But I get this side all cut and buffed, and I'm just on the last part of the door there, so I thought I'd just do a quick it's hard to see. I'm gonna pull her out in the sun, and I'll shoot a little quick one in the sun, see what she looks like. So I'm just finished cutting off this side. Thought I'd give you guys a quick breakdown. So I blocked it out with 15 and then blocked it with 2000, and I'm using Norton. So after I get it all blocked with 2000, it's step 2 and step 3. It's like these pads are like 3000, 5000, I think. It starts to buff it back up, so you don't have to work so hard trying to get all the scratches out. So yeah, I'll just shoot a little quick video here of me finishing up this door, and then maybe hopefully the sun will be out and we'll push her outside and get a shot of this puppy in the sun. But yeah, all right, here we go. All right, so we're on step 3. I already got step 2 done. So when I wet sand or polish, the wetter the better, I think, but that's just my opinion. So I like keeping her nice and wet. Try to keep her as clean as we can. Yeah, so this is kind of just starting to suck the shine back up with these, and then I'll run her over, help set the compound. Always careful around the edges. Got lots of clear on it. I got 3 coats of flow coat, but you still can burn through, so always be careful around the edges. I got an interface pad on that too, so I'll show you guys what I mean here in a sec. It's like the pad in between the pad, nice squishy. All right. So this is done with 1500 block, 2000 blocked, step 2 on the Norton system, and then step 3. I'll draw it off and show you guys how it's starting to shine back up just from the sanding. All right, let's see here. You can probably see it now, how it's kind of shiny, and that's totally sanded. I'll get it dry here. Yeah. So look, it's kind of shiny, and that's not even buffed. So I'll just run a quick buff over it, and I'll just show you guys there. I like using the wool pad. It doesn't heat up like the foam. So I'll do a quick buff with the wool pad, and then we're going to the number 2 soft pad. Don't have to work really hard for this because like I said, we already started to shine it back up from sanding. And this here compound is CSI. It's one polish, different pads, all the same compound. I usually use Frakla. I like Frakla, and but I think Norton just bought them out, so I think, don't quote me on that, but I haven't been able to get their pads. And I had this compound here, so might as well use it up. Works good. So that's what I'm doing. I really don't like bopping, but it does make a nice looking finish when you're done. And I'm almost done, so I just still have to bop the hood. But just the hood, and that's it. So, not too bad. A little bit more left to do. Slow her down around the edges here. And we'll wake her down with some microfiber and give you guys a gander. It's all dull spot right there, but I'll quickly go over that before I change the pad. Yeah, there's what it looks like. See the dull spot right there on the edge? I'll get that before I switch pads. And then I'm going to go over the whole thing with number 3 when I'm all done. This is just number 2. But I haven't went down and bought a pad, so I'll probably do that right before I deliver it. So it looks nice and shiny. Hopefully it'll be sunny that day. Get his reaction with. I'll get a video of when I deliver it. He's been waiting for this for 2 years, so he's pretty excited to come home and see it in real life. So there, get rid of that spot. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll switch the pad and give her a quick going over with the number 2 here. Oh shit. Give her a wipe around. So the foam pads will heat up more than the wool pad. So you got to be careful, obviously, when you're buffing. I guess it don't matter what pad you get on, you still got to be careful, but wool pad won't heat up as much as the foam pad. So see if I can get this popped up and take her out in the sun for a quick glance at her out in the sun while it's out here. I'm getting shitty weather here in Nova Scotia, but it should be coming around soon. Hopefully it will warm up. Like this weekend's supposed to be freezing cold still, which is shit, but it's still March, so in Nova Scotia. And I know you guys might do stuff different way than I do, but this is the way I do it. It works for me, and so if it works, I don't change it unless I find a better way. So it's looking really nice, but a lot of hours on her. One thing I didn't do in between, in between doing the first step and the second step, I should have waved it down with an inspection spray, but I didn't. But it looks good because I found them couple dull spots before I switched stages, so now it's all compound dust all over the whole thing. And here, I'll just wait this door off and show you guys that. Color's not the greatest for showing like a perfect gloss, but there it is. Nice and smooth. Yeah. So if it's sunny out, I'll push her outside and we'll get a walk around. Alright guys, here she is outside. The sun didn't come out, but it's not raining. So here's a close-up of it outside. I'm just trying to show you guys. It is nice and straight and smooth. Looks good. Yeah, I wanted to try to get you guys a good shot of it when the sun was hitting it, but it's not going to happen here in Nova Scotia. But there's a quick walk around of her outside and what she looks like. Hope you guys liked the vids on it, and hope you guys will keep watching and like and subscribe and watch my other builds I get coming up. There's one right there, the old F-150 short wheelbase four-wheel drive. Gonna do that one up. That's gonna come in after I get the 41 black candied. I'm gonna dig out 41 here shortly. So yeah, there you have it. Like I said, hope you guys liked, and hopefully my videos will get better for you guys. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye bye.